the first mods that I ever did to my car, if you could even call it a mod. We'll say thing. The first thing that I ever did to my car when I got it was I actually painted the wheels. Now, I did want to actually repaint them for Sunday, but unfortunately the weather is not going to permit for that. So, take the wheels off. I have some Plastidip and some clear coat. I'm going to touch up some places where there's metal exposed with the rust. I'm not going to do anything with that. There's nothing I really can do. This wheel's actually okay. It's actually the other 3 wheels that need to be done. So, let's jack the car up and let's do it. Let's get it done. I got the wheels off of the car. I'm only going to do the rears today. I'll do the front tomorrow. I'm going to go ahead and use some wheel cleaner to get all of the dirt off of this. I really don't know the last time they were washed. I did go to the car wash last week, but it really didn't do a good job. So all we're doing is we're only touching up spots like this where there is no Plastidip. Any spot that's like rusty or anything like that is gonna stay how it is. We're only doing touch up on this. So. Wheels are clean, now it's on to painting. I already did the rear right wheel. This one though is the worst. Ton of bare spots here and there. I'm gonna go ahead and use some Plastidip and cover up these areas. Plastidip's already what's on here, so no harm done. This is only gonna be a temporary fix. Later when the warm weather's out, we'll do something better with these. the difference between washing your car at home versus washing your car at like a drive-through car wash. So this rag is the one I use today to dry off my car. This is a rag that I use to dry off my car after the car wash. This one is all nice and clean. You can barely see it, but you can see there's a dirt print of my hand, and there's other little dirt spots on here too. This is one of the reasons why washing your car at home is better than going to somewhere to do it, because they don't always get it clean enough, and you could do better and get all the meticulous spots and get your car way cleaner than this. So I got this envelope here, and inside we got some stickers. I'm gonna go ahead, put these stickers on the car, and then I think we'll be done for this video. I'm not gonna do any big reveal or anything because I just don't have time to today. Look at this. And these are definitely not the same orange. But yeah, that's okay. But if you don't know about this, I'll leave a link to the website for that down below. I wasn't recording any of that, putting these stickers on, but you get the idea. Stickers on the car look great, the wheel looks great. I'm sorry I didn't get to do any big reveal like I usually do, but that's kind of little things anyway. So if you want to see any more photos of this and the stickers and the wheel and stuff, just follow me on Instagram right there. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a like. Also comment down below what you thought of this video and what I did. If there's any ways that I can improve, it's the only way I'm going to become a better creator, is if I know what I'm doing wrong. So let me know in the comments down below. I don't know why I keep saying comments singular. Comments section down below. If you want your friends to see this video, go ahead and share it. Also, if you want to see more of my stuff, because there's always more to come. Gonna have another video out next week. You should go ahead and subscribe. This has been Con. I will see all of you in the next video. Hitting old school.